What am I doing? Bro, you guys just toned this.
Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Wind advisory, 7 a.m. Thursday, 3 a.m. Friday. For Muskingum County.
Not sure why he's not going off.
Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 50 miles an hour expected.
Okay, so this is not the first alert on the Capello, because a high wind warning was told when I was coming back from an interview. And that's also not the first alert on this guy. I'm not sure why he's showing the alert light right now, but, that did not go off last year.